Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very important, especially if you are from 2025 or 2026 batch, because I came up with two massive opportunities, and one of them is from a company where even freshers are getting 20 plus LPA packages. And the second opportunity covers multiple domains internship. And trust me, most people will skip this opportunity just because they don't understand the role properly. So I will break everything down into a very simple way, whether you are eligible and how you can actually crack it. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's start with the first one, and this one is huge. The company is Microsoft and they are hiring for the role of software engineer in Hyderabad. Yes, Microsoft, and yes, this is for freshers. Now, before you think it can be difficult, let me explain what exactly they are expecting. In this role, you won't be just writing random code, you will be actually working on real products used by millions of users globally, especially things related to Microsoft 365 Copilot and AI based systems. So basically, you will be building systems where AI helps user write emails, summarize meetings, and automate tasks. That is real world AI at scale. Now, what you will actually do day to day, you will work with teams to understand what feature needs to be built, then help design it and gradually start implementing it. You will also work on improving systems, making them faster, more reliable, and scalable. And one important thing, Microsoft focuses a lot on automation and AI driven development, so you will also learn how to optimize workflows using AI tools. You will also monitor systems, fix issues if something breaks, and continuously improve performance. So, overall, it's not just coding, it's complete software engineering exposure at a global level. Now, coming to the skills, they are expecting you to be comfortable in at least one language like C, C, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, or Python. You should also have strong fundamentals in data structures, problem solving, and core CS concepts. Even if you don't have job experience, your projects, internships, or coding practices will matter a lot. Now, coming to the eligibility, for this role, you need a bachelor's degree in computer science or any related technical field. So, if you are from CS, IT, or related branches, you are good to go. Now, they also mention something like 2 plus year of experience, but don't get confused here. This does not mean only experienced candidates can apply. That experience can also come from projects, internship, coding practices, or any real work you have done during college. So, if you are a fresher but have built good projects, done internships, or practiced DSA properly, you are still eligible. They also mention preferred qualifications like master's degree, but that is not mandatory. It's just an advantage. Now, in simple terms, if you are from 2025 batch with good coding skills and projects, you can definitely apply for this role. And now comes the part most of you are waiting for, salary. Yes, but before that, let me tell you one thing. This is not just salary, this is total compensation, which includes base, bonus, and stocks. For freshers in this role, the total package usually ranges between 20 to 30 LPA. Yes, you heard it right. Base salary can alone go around 15 to 20 LPA, and the rest comes from bonuses and stock options. So this is honestly one of the best fresher opportunity right now in India. Now don't skip because the second opportunity is equivalent important, especially for 2026 batch student. The company is Byteridge and they are hiring for the role of software development engineer for 2026 freshers. This role is more like a foundation building opportunity where you will work on real development projects and grow skills step by step. They are open to multiple tech stacks, so you don't need to worry if you are not from one specific domain. For example, if you are into front end, you can work with React, Angular, or Vue. If you prefer backend, then Node.js, Java, or .NET is there. Even if you are into AI, ML, or mobile development, they have opportunities in that as well. So basically, they are looking for someone who has at least one strong skill or project experience in any tech stack. Now, what will you do in this role? You will work on real applications, collaborate with teams, solve problems, and gradually improve your coding and development skills. They also value things like problem solving ability, communication skills, and willingness to learn, which is very important for freshers. For eligibility, you must be a BTech 2026 student, preferably from CS, IT, ECE, or related branches. even if you have done internships or personal projects that will increase your chances. So yeah, these were the two powerful opportunities. One is high paying software engineer role and second one is perfect entry level ST role for 2026 batch. So if you are good in DSA and problem solving, you can apply for Microsoft, and if you are into any tech stack, go for Byteridge. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box, and if you want more such high paying and genuine job updates, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.